Leave that alone. Won't you play with your truck? Hi everybody, this is Mrs. SKJA again. I'm babysitting, so if you hear the baby background, it's my grandbaby. What? You want your truck? You want your truck? Sorry about that, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay. Again. Okay, this is a two-piece necklace set. It does have the earrings, and this right here is $5. The earrings. Stop. This necklace set right here is $5. Well, it's the same one that I have on. So I got like 5 of these left. So this is $5. I'm trying to keep everything organized and put them back in the pack before I sell them. Make sure everything is good. This necklace right here, it don't have no earrings, and this necklace is $5. Like, if they look slant, it's the way how I got it up here on the on my little board thing. This is $5. Open this. Here go another. This is a two-piece set. It don't have no earrings. The necklace and the bracelet. The bracelet. Hey, leave that alone. This $5. It got 8, but it's $5 with the bracelet. Leave that alone, King. All right. This set right here, a two-piece set. This is $5. It got $7, but it's on sale for $5. I only have one of these left. They go so fast. Everything that I have, I've been having like multiple of them, because when I order, I try to get more of them. And when I go out to buy other jewelry, I try to get like maybe like 5 at a time, because a lot of people, they want them, and you know, and when I run out, you know, it's hard for them to go back, because you know, sometimes they might not have any more in stock. Okay, so this necklace right here, it says $5, so this $5. It did have earrings, but a lady, she wanted the earrings so bad for to go with another necklace set that I had. And so, you know, I gave her the earrings for to go with the other necklace set. So this necklace right here don't have an earrings with it. So this is $5. Alright, this necklace set right here. What's wrong, baby? A necklace set. It was a 4-piece set, but the earrings and the bracelet, I had sold them separately, because I had another one of these, but it is had just the necklace. So so I got the necklace right here and the ring. The ring is adjustable, so you don't have to worry about being too small. This the ring. Only one. So I only have one left. The earring, the necklace and the ring. This right here is $5. So you gonna be on my video, baby? Yeah. All right. I will be back with the next video, the third video. I'll see you in a minute.